Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update Marcus app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Marcus app. So I will directly search for here at the Marcus app. Okay. So here we can see it. So to update it, you have to follow this simple method. Just open it. If it shows here update, okay, then here you have to go to the Google search button. Actually, we can see Google. So from here you have to go it. If you are iOS user, then you can use your Apple Store and open it. And here you have to click on the update button, and it will get automatically download the update and install it. So by this way, you can update your Marcus app by the Goldman Sachs. So if you scroll down, you can see the review and ratings as well. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.